Hi guys, welcome back. Let's add some links into your YouTube profile or your YouTube channel. So if we click on more, all you see is this about panel, which will have the links in it. So to do this, click here on your profile picture and then head over to YouTube Studio to do it. And then afterwards, head over to customization afterwards. Add some links by clicking on this one. For example, you want to insert the link of your social media account, such as Instagram, and then you type the link here. For example, this. And then you can add more links though by clicking here, and then you may have more links. And then when you're done, click on publish, just like this. And then if we go back to our channel, see, now there's a link. You can click on it. There you go. You just open the link. Click on more. You have the link. That's how you can add links to your YouTube profile or your YouTube channel. It's easy and brief, isn't it? So thanks for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.